Not posted yet, try again on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all you have to do is make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on a device. Next, launch your Play Store application and search for Instagram just to clarify that you have the latest version of Instagram application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here beside the Instagram application, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So all we have to do is just go back and launch the settings application on your device. Tap on apps and then tap on manage apps again and search for Instagram by typing on the search bar over here. As you search for the Instagram application over here, you can see different options over here. So just wait until it loads the application via search bar over here. Now just tap on it and here you can see the option of clear data. So tap on clear data and then clear cache and tap on OK. After that, you can just relaunch the Instagram application on your device and this might fix the issue with your stable connection. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.